This is week 26, the Wednesday test. Question 1. Draw the net of a cylinder. Okay, net of a cylinder, it's got two circles and it's got an opened out rectangle, so it's like a dude with a square head and two big ears. Question number 2. -3 plus -6 equals -9. Question number 3, we had this from the test before this. 4 cubed, or 4 to the power of 3, is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 64 is your answer. Question 4, 7.849 plus 2.591 is 10.44. Question number 5, 0.3 multiplied by 100 is 30. Question number 6, okay, 2 over 3 equals what over 9? To change the 3 to a 9, you have to multiply with 3, and if you multiply with 3 in the bottom, you can multiply with 3 also on the top. You're going to end up with 6 over 9. Question number 7, the total cost of 4 chocolate bars is €3.20. What's the average cost? You divide the €3.20 by 4, so 32 divided by 4 is 8. €3.20 divided by 4 is 80 cents. Question number 8, y equals 70 degrees. 3 have to add up to 180. Question number 9, 6 kilograms and 24 grams is 6 and 24 over 1000, which is 6.024. Don't forget that 0 is very important. Write in ascending order, question 10. That means going up. Again, you have to rewrite them all so that they're all kind of decimal, so that they kind of make sense to. So 4% equals 0.04. After that, it's pretty straightforward. So your smallest is 4%, then 0.5, then 2, which is more than a decimal, and then 6 1/4, which is 6.25. Okay, question 11. We were kind of looking at one of these yesterday where I just multiplied it out. So this is more maybe of an opportunity where you can divide across. So 2 over 3 multiplied by 6 over 8. I'm going to cross cancel some of these things. So I can see that there's 6 and a 3 here. And there's a 2 and an 8. So you can cancel the 2 and the 8 together. What can you divide into 2 and into 8? You can divide 2 into 2 once. You can divide 2 into 8 4 times. And up here you've got 6 and 3, which can both be divided by 3. It leaves you 2 here and 1 there. So you're multiplying 1 now by 2 and 1 by 4, which is a bit more straightforward. And you just multiply them across, so that's 2 over 4. 2 over 4 is also equal to 1/2. So your answer is 1/2. Question number 12. A bag contained 1 pink, 3 yellow, and 6 white marshmallows. Take the chance of randomly selecting a yellow marshmallow. So there are 3 yellow ones. In total, there are 6 plus 3 plus 1, which is 10. So it's a 3 chance out of 10. 3 out of 10 chance, which is 3/10, which is 0.3. Question 13. 12 over 20 is the same as 0.6. You could also say that is 6 over 10. 0.6 anyway. Number 14, 40 over 100 as decimal is 0.4. 0.40 is also correct. Number 15, 10 take away 0.9 is 9.1. Number 16, 2a minus 15 is 25. Okay, if 2a minus 15 is 25, then 2a is 25 plus 15. 2a is 40. That means a equals 20. Question 17, y equals 150 degrees. Because it has to add together with the 30 to make 180. 18, 3 divided by 1/2. So that's 3 multiplied by 2 over 1. You multiply the 3 by the 2 and you get 6 over 1. And that equals 6. How many right angles has a trapezium? None. Not this trapezium anyway. You can have a trapezium though with a right angle. You could have this kind of fella. Because a trapezium has one set of parallel lines and one set of lines which are not parallel. It doesn't have to look like this. This could be a right angle. Well, in this case anyway, it's 0. Question 20. Insert signs into the number sentence. 20 take away 64 divided by 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8. So 20 take away 8 is 12. Problem solving for today is a kind of an interesting type of question. Oops. To show 0.6, this kind of shows that 0.6 multiplied by 3, it was 0.3, sorry, is the same as 0.6 of 0.3 or 0.3 of 0.6. Color 0.6 vertically. Okay, it's going to be 6 lines across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should be 4 lines left. Okay, and color 0.3 horizontally. Use my pen to do this. 1, 2, 3. The intersection or the overlap is the product. That's what you get when you multiply 0.6 and 0.3. So 0.6 multiplied by 0.3 gives you the product or the answer. And how many? Well, if you're to add them up, there's going to be 18, isn't there? 6, 6, and 6 is 18. 18 out of 100 though is 0.18. Okay. Second question is the same. It says show 0.4 by 0.8. So you can 0.8. And 0.4 by that is the same as 0.4 of that. So what we've got here is 32, 0.32.